The ears, yes, correct. First, you have to take a look at the ears. Sea lion have this ear flap or external ear located on both sides of their head. While seals, on the other hand, they only have a tiny pinhole. So you need to take a closer look at the seal so you can see the ear. And sea lion have this big, powerful front lever that help them to steer to the water. Much like a bird using their wings to fly to the air. And for the seal, they have short front lever, maybe half of it. And guys, just to prove to you how powerful their front lever are, R2 here gonna show you. So R2, a side lever or a back lever. R2, come over here. Can you show your back lever? Please come on over here. Good boy, R2. Well then, where is your back lever? Aha! That's the back lever that rotates, making moving on land very easy. Come on, let's show these folks how we walk proud. Come on, R2. Just like that. See how we use this back lever? And you know, guys, seals are great in the water. But on land, they move just a little bit funny. Since here in Emirates Park Zoo, we don't have a seal, Arthur here loves to imitate a seal. Hey guys, would you like to see Arthur imitating a seal?
Yes.
Yes! Arthur, did you hear that? Come on, let's show them a seal.
Oh!
Oh, that's a seal, alright? Now show them how a seal walks.
Oh!
See, I told you, a little bit funny on land. Well, let's give a nice round of applause for Arthur for demonstrating to us the difference between the seal and the sea lion. Now guys, let's talk about it. Show them what you got, come on, hit it! And now ball and fast swing. Well, let's do a big hand for Arthur. But guys, worry, sea lions want to take a look around. They will lift their body on the surface of the water to see over the long distance in the ocean. Woo! And that's what we call a high.
because they don't have physical teeth, what they do is very nice. So they will toss the food, catch it, and swallow it whole. Very nice. Good job, Sky. And it's time to go back. It's time to go back. He wants a longer exposure. And by the way, guys, as you can see, Sky has a very long beak, and birds' beak are made out of keratin and pigments, the same ingredients that we have with our hair and our fingernails. Let's give a nice round of applause for Sky. We're gonna cover that with 1 cup, and then put 2 more cups there. So let's invite on stage Toto, another African gray parrot. Come on up here, Toto. It's time to show us or prove us that you have a strong sense of smell. So excited, and he wants to fly towards the table. Ready? Go ahead. So the young ones, guys, when they are forming and they see they cannot fly and jump yet, they used to slide on the tree branches. And he finds it! Very nice! Good job! So, let's try it one more time, guys, because maybe Pedro just got lucky. But this time, you will decide where I'm going to put the castanette. Right side, left side, or middle? Middle. Okay, everybody decided to put it in the middle. So we got it there. Alright, and 2 more cups. Toto, you didn't cheat, huh? Go for it. Lie down. Searching, searching. Oh, you missed that one. Let's try it again, Toto. I know it's there, but let's try it again. Let's try it again. No cheating. Okay. In the middle again. Okay. Use your sense of smell. Okay. Go for it. Come on, Toto. Right? Where is it? There you go! Nice one! Next time, don't rush. Let's give a round of applause for Toto! Run away from their enemies like bird spray or any larger bird. They will look for a narrow space that the body can't fit. And regardless of the wingspan, they can go through it! Yes! And hang on, guys. Keep your camera and video cams ready because Ollie will show you the modern way of delivering messages. And here in the zoo, whenever Ollie wants to fly, at least we got a choice. So what do you think Ollie will do? Right. Why not? And Ollie wants to remind everybody, especially parents, be sure to put your seatbelts on. Don't text or use mobile phones while driving. And that's a brother reminder from our Bella Cockatoo named Ollie. But of course, birds don't. And because this is a competition, we need to divide the group into 2. This side on my left side. You guys, on the left side rather, you guys will cheer for Coco. The right side will cheer for Frida. Alright? Again, you will cheer for Coco. And you guys will cheer for Frida. Remember, the louder you cheer, the faster these birds will move. So you have to cheer as loud as you can. Alright? Now, are you ready? Trainers, ready? Set, You also cheated. You gave it before the goal. Okay, trainers, be fair, edge to edge. Ready, set, and go! It's the time. Now we need to have a decision game. Okay, decision game. Trainers, edge to edge. Ready? will hunt it, we will kill it, and of course, there will be no one to look after them when they get sick. So today, let's talk about physical features of this bird. Let's start with their tail. As you can see, they have long and slender tail which they use as a steering, like a steering wheel when they are flying in between trees. So if they want to move from one tree to another, they are moving the tail from left to right, like that. Also, it serves as brakes when they are flying. And if they want to stop or slow down, they will spread out the tail and push it forward. Next, we got customized buckets. And these birds need to pull the bucket all the way up to get the special food inside. And this is